Hey, data scientists, data engineers, Pythonistas, welcome back to another episode in Fluent Python. This video also in Chapter 2. We are still in Chapter 2 of Fluent Python. That's how thick and incredible this book is. This video is on sorting. 2 ways to sort a list: the built-in method sort, and the function sorted. So stick around. We'll dive right into it right now. Okay, folks, I am diving into my handy dandy IPython interpreter. It is helpful for just playing around with Python. You could see, again, I am on Python 3.6.3. I have a list here that I want to sort. Okay, so this is all out of whack. There's capitalization, lowercase. It's all fruits, but they're out of order. So if I just do fruits.sort, what I can see is that this sorted it. It sorted it by capitalization first. That's something to note here. That's what it's doing, first of all. And then, so apple, blueberry, then lowercase apple, apricot, blackberry, grape. What I can do is add in, because the built-in method sort and sorted both take 2 keyword parameters. They take a key and they take reverse. So reverse is a bit more intuitive. If I just do reverse equals true, you can see that my list just reversed itself. The sorting reversed itself. So that's fine. Note that this is the built-in method, so it is changing the object in place. If I do new equals fruits.sort, here, new is none. It's nothing. It's not a list. So this tells us something about this built-in method. It's returning none for a reason. It wants to let us know that Python is trying to scream at us that this is that this actually manipulated the original object and sorted it. But if we say new equals sorted, and by the way, let me blow this up for folks at home. Hopefully, there you go, from the first keys that the first letters that we've typed into here until where I am right now. So you can see that. Okay, so sorted fruits, and then, just so you believe me, reverse equals true. So now new is the sorted list. Fruits is in its original form. New equals fruits. No. Okay, so they're not the same list. And new is not none. Now, another thing to note. So we noticed that fruits isn't really sorted like we want it to be. I want the capital apple and then the lowercase apple next to each other. I don't care about capitalization, let's say. So what I could do in both of these is add in a key, and I'll do string.lower. And so apple, apricot, blackberry, blueberry, grape. Same thing with this sorted. So let's just try fruits. Sorted fruits, key equals string.lower, and then reverse equals true. Okay. So that reversed it and didn't care about capitalization. You note that didn't care about capitalization, so the lowercase apple is in the back there. So what did we learn so far? We learned that calling the built-in method returns none. New is none. We learned that we had 2 optional parameters, reverse and key. Key, what you can do is use other methods, string.lower here. I could also pass in max. I'm not sure. There are a few things that you can do. I think max is taking, I'm not sure what max is taking in terms of of strings. So that's something to look up. But you can, if you have a list of numbers, you can certainly pass in key of max in different kinds of keys. So that's something to keep in mind as you progress in your Python proficiency. So this is just a quick little video about sort. I hope you find it interesting. Stick around. Thanks for all the new subscribers. We are going to be continually diving into this book, and then we're going to move on to other classics in software engineering and Python. Stick around. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. We'll talk to you later.